guys, today we are going to build a
gingerbread village.
Gingerbread village. There are 4 mini gingerbreads in this box, and we are going to build all 4 of those today. And on the back there are some instructions, and we are going to do our best to follow those. And it also comes with icing and some candies and some more white icing. So let's open this up and get started.
Can I do it?
Hey, while you're here, it says you have to knead the icing. So that's just pushing it for 2 minutes. Can you do it for 2 minutes? We've got some gumdrops and little hard candy balls.
I want it.
And these are little candy, like, circles.
No, those are sprinkles.
Sprinkles, thank you. And we have this beautiful red icing. Has it been 2 minutes? I don't think it's been 2 minutes. Not yet. Here, let's let Landon help.
Yum, yum.
Okay, so these are the gingerbread houses. These are the bases of the houses, so that means they're the bottom of the house.
I got one.
That's right.
At least they
There should be 4 bases.
At least they have a base.
They do have a base.
Finally.
4.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
She is really good at counting. So these, what the
really
instructions say are to separate the houses by gently breaking along the snap lines. So guys, if I was a snap line, let's see, I'm gonna look at so we want it to snap here along this snap line. Let's see if I can snap it gently. Ooh, I did, good job, all right. And we're gonna snap here along this snap line. Okay guys, now we're gonna start by putting the gingerbread houses together with the white icing. And it says that we need to let them rest for 15 minutes for them to kind of set. So we'll show you guys how we do one. We're gonna start with the snowflake one because that's right here in front of me. Well, yeah, it's yours, yep. Okay, so let's see. Directions say, pipe icing along the edges and in the dots. Oh, did I miss a spot? Oh, what happened there? Oops.
Probably because I got Dorito hand on my left.
Dorito hand on your left. So now we're going to place the house.
Way better than Doritos.
It appears that these go
And I can't wait to eat them after this.
like this. Oh, we should probably do some on the sides, right? So that can connect like glue. That's terrible. We are not professional icers. Let that be known, right guys? But as long as we're having fun, I think that's all that matters.
That looks like a cookie.
It does. It is. I will not ruin I will not ruin the precious gingerbread. Oops. All right, we just have to put the roofs on now. 1 roof and 2 roofs. And it also says to hold it if you can for 2 minutes. But I don't think I have 2 minutes to sit here and hold it. But we will. We are gonna hold it for 2 minutes.
Yum, yum.
What do we have?
We have white sprinkles. Well, it looks like salt. Do you see those? Comment down below if you see those little shiny things.
Glitter. We have glitter to put on the houses. We have gold and like a edible glitter.
I was supposed to tell them.
Oh, you tell them all about it. I'm sorry. Ooh, round candy balls. One of those gumdrops. You know the song? If all of the raindrops and lemon drops and gumdrops. Oh, what a rain that would be.
Open your mouth.
That's right. Yummy, yummy gumdrops. And
These don't have a flavor.
They don't have a flavor? Pouring and candy sprinkles. All right. Whoa, 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 what are you doing with that, Crazy?
Sorry.
Well, that's okay. No, you can just use that with your fingers.
Oh.
Okay. That's okay. So, and I also went into our Halloween stash because we still have Halloween candy. And we are going to decorate with some Skittles also. Layden's already started. Give me Skittles. I think each one a bag of Skittles. Now let's get to decorating. Landon has already started. He has these beautiful gumdrops everywhere. Oh, don't forget we have this awesome red gel and green gel and blue gel. I mean, I think that they are going to eat the candy before they decorate. That's what it's looking like over here. I'm gonna decorate this one because it's so fancy. Some blue gel. Oh, the blue gel comes out fast. This reminds me of like mermaid scales, so I'm going to try to make like mermaid scales. 1, 2, 3. I see a little hand over here trying to grab my blue from me. Mermaid scale. I have a mermaid house. Oops, well, kinda, maybe not. Trying. Wow. It is messy, yeah. Frosting is messy. Well, that's how he handles messy. He licks it right off, huh?
Me too.
Awesome. You do too? You do too?
We just became friends.
Did we just become friends? Well,
We're brother and sister, so why should we become friends again?
That's right. We're kind of like stuck. I'm gonna put some gumdrops on my roof. Yeah, buddy. I'm going to draw on I'm gonna outline my door red with this fancy red gel.
I don't want to.
You want one what, bud? Oh, I didn't do a very good job of that.
Things.
What thing, buddy?
What you're using.
Yeah, here. Which one you want, red or green? Green? Okay. All right. All I hear is this chomping in my ear of Skittles. Chomp, 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 chomp. Oh, you know, I had this vision in my head of this perfect straight line. I don't think it happened. Look at that, is not a perfect straight line. But it is sure pretty.
Landon, stop smacking. It's a video. I'm serious.
Oh! That does not look like a snowflake, but in my head, it was a beautiful snowflake. I visioned a beautiful snowflake, and this is how it turned out. What do you guys think? Ooh, it's so pretty. That's right, and my gingerbread house has
I'm ready to eat this.
the window, from the windows to the wall.
What?
All right, this is your last chance. Are we going to eat these or run them over?
Run them over. Yeah.
Hope you all enjoyed my Christmas decoration. We got Mr. Penguin, Santa,
I made the snowman.
Frosty, and our gingerbread house. And Lila the Destructor. Yes. Last chance. Do you want to eat it or do you want to run it over?
Eat it. Eat it. Run it over.
All right. Go make your lap and run it over. We're waiting. Let's do it. Here she comes. Straight away. Can she do it? All right, you just knocked it out of the way. Good job.
Can I throw this on the ground?
Is that a strong gingerbread house or what?
Can I throw this on the ground? Yeah.
Yes.
Do it.
Oh, Gingerbread versus Landon. Take one. Here we go, here we go. You also took out Santa Claus.
Huh?
You also took out Santa Claus.
Wait, put it back on. I'm doing it again.
All right, he's coming to finish it off this time. There it is. There he is. Looking good, looking good. Oh! Ow, that hurt my knee. Ow. The gingerbread house blew up and hit my knee. Good job. All right. Look at your damage that you did. Oh, you got a piece right there. All the crumbs over here. Good job, buddy. That was pretty accurate.
Run into the Santa.
Looks pretty good, right?
That's a Santa.
Yeah.